Hey mom, I just want to take you a little tour to my crib. It's like MTV's. Come right in. It's what you see when you first walk in. This is what you see. It's the living room. Looks nice. This is the tree that I did. I made. It has a couple presents. Now if you look outside, you see the blizzard of '09, my first one. It's kind of chilly. It's okay. We'll be going out there later. This is the rest. This is the rest of the living room. We have your laptop desk there. A little thing with the orchid. Kind of simple. And then we walk into the hallway. And to my right, to your left, is the dining room. It's very festive. It's where we eat. Me and Marcelo mostly. Then to my left, to your right, is the kitchen. The famous kitchen where we do all the famous cooking. I did the painting. It looks good. The floor me and Marcelo bought. We stuck on it. Then we walk to let's go to the bathroom. We walk into the bathroom. I did the painting in here. Me and Marcelo he did the decorating most likely, but this is what we did. That's the cat Wesley. He's really mean.
No, he's not.
And this is where all the bedrooms are. There's 3 bedrooms. This is the storage room. Our roommate, who's not here right now. And then this is my bedroom. There's Wally, the famous infamous Wally. Ain't he big? Say hi. Say hi. Yep, he's a big one. That's basically, that's my turtle tank. Right there. There's 2, but you can't really see it.
2 baby turtles.
And my bird.
Killer bird.
His name's Damien. And the fish tank. Yeah, I have a lot of animals. It's like a zoo up in here. Now let's go outside. Let's take a look outside. There's the rest of the room.
Now it's time to go outside in the snow, which is crazy.
I'm going in my PJs. I mean, it's really cold, but I'm not gonna get dressed. Now this is where the windy part gets. Oh, look at this. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Oh wow. Look how deep this is.
The door already.
It's not that deep here.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Kind of deep right there. Go all the way in.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Look how deep this is. Look how deep that is.
Pretty deep.
That's deep. That's pretty deep there. Look at this. Yep, this is.
Gotta speak loud.
This is the snow. The first blizzard that I haven't been. It's kind of crazy. Here's my first snowball. Well, it's pretty ugly. But I'm cold and I don't have any face.
Now I was gonna do a snow angel.
Oh, I'm not doing no snow angel. That's too cold.
Come on, do it.
pretty big snow angel. I'm covered. I'm covered all.
That's the house.
Ooh. Yep, so that's basically it. Look at the trees, how everything is, the cars. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Ma. Love you.